and this is Innvoke Conshohocken.
We are a large format and screen printing company. We have 2 swissQprint printers, and we have some roll format, and then screen printing and CNC cutting. So mostly display prints, wall murals, museum work, pretty much anything that most people don't know how to do, we can get it done here.
We have a balance of small projects that are detail-oriented and large projects that run over the course of many weeks. Our main market is point-of-purchase displays, so we're doing large runs that are usually 500 to 1,000 sets of graphics.
When we bought the swissQprint presses, they definitely amped up our game.
There are money makers, that's what we say. Almost everything that goes through this shop comes through one of those 2 presses. We're able to set up both sides of the machine to run tandem mode. We print a lot of times on pre-cut materials so that we can basically go right from the press directly into shipping, which helps us keep ahead of our schedule.
swissQprint has helped us get into new lines of work, more museum type work. We're doing a lot of artwork that's, specialty type of work, and definitely work that is really color critical.
The machines that we had before swissQprint were pretty vanilla, pretty plain Jane. There wasn't much that you could do with them other than print full color process. They would go down for days at a time. While we're waiting for a technician to be flown in, completely bottleneck us. This just hasn't been a thing that's happened in the last 5 years with swissQprint.
One of our swissQprint presses has a primer, which helps make things stick to various substrates that normal presses can't have the ink stick to.
We're printing on glass, we're printing on metal, we're printing on wood. We print on all kinds of plastics, papers.
Our majority of what we do is PVC, styrene, acrylic, and being able to print on it with the swissQprint, it still runs faster than anything we've had before.
It's definitely worth it. You're going to save a lot of money on service for sure. You're going to be the leader in your class in terms of quality. The productivity and reliability of the machines is worth every penny of it. The unique ink sets that are available are just going to open up all kinds of new possibilities. I really can't speak highly enough about swissQprint's presses.